What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are finally back on the 04 CBR1000RR. As you can tell behind me, I have a whole pile of plastics. Took about 2 months for those to come in, but I'm very excited they are here. Look pretty good so far. I will forewarn you, I have never done this. I've never pulled a street bike all the way apart and tried to put the plastics back on. So we're going to struggle through this together. It doesn't look too crazy hard. All the mounts were there when I got the bike. Put a little bit of money into it, made it pretty nice, made it look pretty good. But the last piece of the puzzle is going to be the plastics. So put a new master cylinder on it, new Vortex V3 lever, new lever on the brake side, new headlight assembly, new headlights, fixed some wiring, took the stretch kit off, put a new chain on it. It's got a TOC exhaust, not sure what that is. But now we have a full plastics kit, full bolt kit, brakes are good. So we're going to go through and struggle through getting all this set up because I really have no idea how to do it. But it's going to look pretty awesome when I'm done. So I got this plastic kit from Ockmarts. Took a long time to get, but you know, it is what it is. So 2 months to get the plastics are finally here. I'm super excited about it. Gonna make some adjustments on some things here real quick, and then we'll get into putting these plastics on. All right, 4 days later, and we mostly got it completed. I was a little humbled. I'm not going to lie. There was a lot of pieces, parts. You get one part on, realize you forgot a backing piece. Whatever. Nonetheless, it looks really, really nice. Came out great. Everything fit pretty well, considering. Had to drill some, widen some holes, little crap like that. But got everything on there now. I did take it for a quick spin. It rides pretty good. Just rode around my neighborhood. But nonetheless, we got a fresh front tire because the front tire on it is quite gone. So I'm going to go ahead and pop the front wheel off, and we will pop this front tire on. And after that, it will be time to ride it, which it's raining today, so we're not going to actually take it for a real spin today. But it needs cleaned up. I got fingerprints all over this thing. Everything kind of fell in pretty nicely. I got to say, for, it was like a $525 plastic kit. I didn't expect much out of it, but it looks really good. Nothing was damaged out of the box. And it fit pretty dang nice. So probably gonna give it a bath too. But so you saw, it was like 30 seconds of sped up video, and that was more like 4 or 5 hours. And then I worked for a couple more nights just buttoning up little stuff like the backing behind here, make it all pretty. But it's buttoned up and it looks really freaking awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this front wheel off, and then we will go put this front tire on, and she'll be ready to rock. So that is a wrap on the 04 CBR1000RR. I think it came out pretty freaking great, if you're asking me. Got a new tire on her on the front. Rear tire was new. All new plastics, new headlight, new chain. Bunch of new parts, man. Took the stretch kit off, unlowered it because it was lowered. So yeah, I think it's a pretty sweet ride. New bulbs, new master cylinder, new levers. And so all that's left now is to ride it. A little chilly today, but I'll probably take it for a quick spin. Just see how she feels. Get some fresh fuel in it, all that good stuff. But I do appreciate you guys watching. It was a nice little process. It is already sold, so that's pretty rad. I was going to post it, then you have to post it. So you can't beat that. So thank you guys for watching. Got more content coming. Probably not more street bike content. It was fun. They're cool. They're fast. That's about all I got to say about them, man. I'm a Harley guy through and through. Can't beat them. I like to work on them. This was fun. It was cool to branch out of my comfort zone. I do work on some street bikes, do fork seals and stuff like that for customers, but past that, we'll leave the street bikes to you guys. So thanks for watching. Please like, sub, tell your friends, and stay tuned for more.